Right, I hooked up the transcooler. It works. It's circuited. And I painted those red bits on the car. Looks a lot better now. Put a tyre on it. So I grab one more wheel and put some fuel in it and beat the brakes. And get a few other little things like the belt. Put the seat belt in it. A few other little things. Got to cut the bonnet off and cut all this off in the front. Bolt the front down so that clip doesn't work. Yeah. Yay. I've taken the back calipers off so I can fit 40-inch wheels, which I've got a few of, and shit won't get in the way when the tyre pops. Right, I've put the brakes and bolted the bonnet on and put the seat belt in. So just going to put fuel in and weld the diff, put a fan in, and yeah, some gas, and that's it. But I'm going to put gas in next time I start it. And I've got to put a new valve in this tyre because it won't pump up. Yeah.